in 10th class, after summer holidays, in summer holidays, sorry, we went to Allen Kota. Me and my father and my mother uh, went with one of my friends. They also got the call from Allen. We go to Kota and see that the culture is completely different over there. Like, there's no long hours of study or so closed, like staying the whole time in a standalone building. It was not like that. You were free over there. The classes ended in the afternoon. You're free to do whatever you want after the afternoon, after the classes. You can go out, chill, and watch a movie if you are not in the mood to study. You could take some breaks while studying to improve your efficiency. So I thought that this was the chance. Uh, you know, this is what that is how college life is going to be ahead. So this experience, if taken, will be useful for my college life, and and even the results are much better from Alan from in the previous year. So I thought that maybe this is the place where I was meant to study the rest of my 2 years, and boy was I wrong. The I was enrolled in the top batch in the Samunath campus. I was thinking that I could start from the beginning. I thought that there were some places where I missed, like the place where I got like in the timeline where I got chicken pox, and that part of my preparation went wrong. So and even recovering after that was not possible. So I thought there were many places where I had to build upon. So maybe giving it a fresh start would help me. But the problem was the batch in which I was enrolled. Actually, to get enrolled in that batch, I had to take an interview for about 1.5 to 2 hours with the each teacher. They scrutinized me and saw whether I was fit to stay in the batch or not, and I cracked the interview. But by the time I enrolled, almost I would say 20% of the syllabus was done. The basics part was done, but I felt that the basics, like Newton laws, some parts where my concept was not correct. I had to refine that, but I didn't get the chance. And there were some chapters which I had never studied before, but those chapters were completed over here. So I had a lot of backlog and the running course also. So I gave my everything. I studied much more than what I used to, and that was the requirement. But I had to see my backlogs. I had to complete it. I had to complete my running course and make sure that I don't fall behind. But the one good thing was that Alan helped me face some challenges like this one. They also provided with me with teachers so that I could complete my backlogs, like not Newton's laws, but organic chemistry basics. Some parts of that, like they gave me teachers. Um, hmm. They provided me with the resources and teachers to complete my backlogs. I gave my everything, but it was not sufficient. Maybe the mistake in me was that I tried to expect result very soon, but having this backlog was pulling me back. and the students over there are like geniuses, like the top of the top. They almost all of them have cracked the IOQJS and went to the camp. So I was like, what else can I do? I'm trying my everything, but still there's no improvement. I mean, keeping the marks aside, the rank was still the same. I used to come last every single time. But I used to feel like maybe I've done a wrong decision coming here, because when I was in Narayana, even though there were some setbacks, I used to still stay in the middle of the class. But coming here was maybe a wrong decision, and that's when the peak of the winter started. Going Before going to Kota, I thought this is Rajasthan, so the heat will be too much over there. So if I get through the summer, that will be enough. But I didn't expect the winter to be so cold. The sudden change and sudden drop in the temperature affected my health very badly. I had fever for almost 3 weeks at a stretch. I could not do anything, and my parents, they actually stayed with me in Kota for almost 7 8 months. Uh, I felt guilty that like my parents are sacrificing so much. Like they left everything, home, their life in Hyderabad and coming to Kota. All that guilt and just tore me apart. Then they took the decision that maybe I was not meant to be here after all, because of the backlog and the amount of pressure I was seeing through. So